Hello everyone. Welcome to the User of Bricks channel. This is the first episode in the Lord of the Rings creation series. This series is, as I have said in the intro video, is about creating a Lord of the Rings mod using Mcreator, along with some custom coding. So in this episode, we will be creating a new workspace and connecting it to a Git service. I will be using GitHub. We will also be setting up a little bit of a file tree in the code section. The next episode after this, we will be creating a cake block base, as well as a placeable, edible, and drinkable item base. So, look forward to that. So to start off, we want to create a new workspace. Let's just create this. So, Lord of the Rings mod. So, and yes, we want it to be a 1.14.4 mod. This will be updated to 1.15 whenever Mcreator updates, which I hope will be after this next update to Mcreator. So that is where we want it. Creating new workspace. So our Gradle will set up, and it should be quick. And yeah, we'll see you right after it finishes. Okay, so it has finished, and we can go ahead and start. We need to look at our workspace. Come on, show me the workspace. There we are. We want to be using the remote workspace system. And for that, as the really nice, concise tutorials that Mcreator or Pilo, which is the people that facilitate Mcreator, the tutorials that they have said are really nice and concise, short, quick. You can watch them instead of mine, but there will be some things that you will want to know after connecting this space. So for this, we need the Git repository URL, which means we need to go over to GitHub, which is the Git service I am using. And we can go ahead and create a new repository. Lord of the Rings mod. And this one will be public. I will be linking this this repository in the description so you can see all of it. So, yeah. And it's just a quick create the repository. You want to copy this URL here, go back to Mcreator, paste that in, type your username. Mine is user of bricks. And then type in your account password. Once you have done that, you can set up the workspace. It should go directly to your remote workspace. And just to make sure this works, first commit, create, and sync. We should see, yep, there it is. We go back to our repository, reload the page, and yes, everything is here. We have all of our different things, our base files, and we are set up there. Now, the next part of this tutorial is entirely based on this section over here. We will want to be going into source net Mcreator Lord of the Rings mod, or whatever your mod is called. We will be adding some files, and these two, well, I should say folders. These two folders will be where we put our base block of files, as well as our base item files. So, that in mind, let's add those two packages, as they are called. When you add a package, you do not want to just type in just the name of the package. You will want this to go into your mod folder. In my case, Lord_of_the_rings_mod. So we need to go into that, and this starts from the source Gradle, as it is called here, and we will need to type in net, and then in between each folder you type a dot. Then the next folder, Mcreator dot your mod folder name, in my case that's the Lord of the Rings mod, dot, and then your folder name. For this first folder, we will be typing in block base, and make sure you type that in with the first letter being lowercase. Sometimes there can be confusion between different systems when you put a capital in there. I just copied the first section, so net.mcreator.lordoftheRingsMod dot. You can copy that as well. That's just to ease making our second folder. You can click OK for this one, and you should see the block base folder right there. Now, we want to add another package. If you copied before, no, that's not the right one. Apparently I didn't copy it. So let's retype it. net.mcreator.lord_of_the_rings_mod dot item base. And there we have it, our item base folder. As I said before, these are where our item base files will go and our block base files will go. And that I will talk further upon in the next episode. I know this episode has been short. That does mean, or is because of my school schedule. I don't have a whole lot of time to record videos or work on the things outside of the videos that I need to work on to make sure that the stuff I show you works. Yeah, so this is the setup tutorial. yeah, I know it's simple, but it is necessary to complete if you are following this series. I hope you all have enjoyed, or at least found this a little bit helpful. If you have, please subscribe. It'll help me personally out a lot. It'll also tell me that you are enjoying this series and or found it helpful. Leave a like, that'll do the same thing. And if you have any questions, please go down into the description below, the comment area below and comment. I usually read every single comment. I may not respond to them all, just because, again, I don't have all the time in the world, but I get back to them as soon as I can, which sometimes may take maybe a week, but with me creating this series, I should be able to get to them a bit sooner, possibly even within that day or the next day. That is my goal anyway. So, that has been the video. This has been the User of Bricks. I shall see you next time.